Oh, we're live? We're live. Greetings, people of YouTube land, and welcome back to part 2 of our lesson on Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Ratchet. Last look at him in vehicle mode. As said in the first part of this lesson, his vehicle mode is but let's get down to the meat and gristle of it, shall we then? The transformation. What you want to do is pop the side panel up like so. Do it on the other side, and it reveals more that medical emergency symbol. Next, you want to take this section here. First of all, you got to loosen it up. There you go. And take this section here and lift it up and forward. Next, you want to bring down the legs like so. Take the arms, pull them out, so it's out. Rotate, so rotate 180 degrees. Do that on both sides. There you go. And you want to pull the arm out and forward. It's a bit stiff, kind of like me. Well, what do you expect? He's an old geezer. They're always stiff. Son of a... Good. Bit of brute force and ignorance never hurt anybody. So, okay. So when you look at it, it is like that from the back, side, front, and underneath. Then you want to rotate the arms down like so. Separate the legs and straighten them out. Bring out the little feetums at the bottom here. I don't know how much a pain of bugger he is to try and transform. So yeah, bring out the little feetums. Oh crap. That happens. That's been happening a lot lately. Anyhow. Oh shit. Alright, there you go. And you flip up. What the hell? I think he really has suffered an injury. There you go. So his fetums are out. A bit difficult, but... And you want to push this front in to make his grandpa pot belly. Right, and at the back here, you want to fold this down and back, and then just push it in, and his head pops up. So, show you that once more from the back this time. So, this tab here, it's very tiny, so you won't be able to see it, but trust me, it's there. We'll go into that little place there. So, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, there's a tiny tab which will go into that black spot there. And when you pull this down and back, it makes the head pop up. And then you just open up the fingers and thumb on both sides. And there is Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Ratchet in robot mode. Now, he has these things here which are supposed to be his magnetic manipulators, but they look nothing like they do in the cartoon as well. So to activate it, just gently press against it and it flips up. One more time. Gently push against it. There. Right, now his accessories. They can be stored at the back here. There are pegs there to store it, so you can store all 4 of them back there, which is quite easy. So what I'm gonna do is put this screwdriver in. Sorry about that, it doesn't want to stay in. Christ's sakes. What the hell? There we go. That's it. Oh, this isn't working! Alright, to put them in, this clip here will attach to these pegs here. I don't know if you can see it, but trust me, those pegs are there. They're like round and they just snap on like so. Now, and so to attach the accessories to his hand, there's a spring area. Yeah, there you go. There's a spring and black piece in his hand, which is part of the magnetic manipulator, which helps the magnetic manipulator spring out. But this clip here attaches to that area, he says. And then you just close the fingers and thumb, and it looks like he's holding it. Pretty cool, huh? Right, articulation. His legs. Let's do the other side. His legs can go back, forward, to the side. So back. Someone plays. Sorry, guys. Back, forward, up to the side, swivel. Bend at the knees, and jeez, right, this is probably gonna get the end of the review. There you go, and the feet can move, so you can do some poses there. Arms, rotate 360 degree at the shoulder, up, down, swivel, bend at the elbow, and the fingers can move. Oh, a little interesting note. He's got a slot here where his EMP was. So if you have animated lockdown, you can take the EMP from that and slot it into there. And the head does not rotate. I do apologise for that. Yeah, well, I think overall decent in robot mode, better than his ambulance mode, and I am running out of time. I do highly recommend him, if just for the robot mode. So this is I Am Andy, aka Witchfire65. This is Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Ratchet, and we are Addies. Peace.